Hey everyone, welcome to Your Life. This is Lorena, and today we are going to introducing the office desk and the office chair. So the item you can see right now is in minimalistic style, the very pure black office desk and like a brown color chair. And let's go to talk about the desk first. So actually the desktop is in MDF with a black melamine surface. It's very neat and tidy. And also you can see the space is very large. So if you're working with a lot of documentations, you can put your documents on the one side. And even if you put these documents, you still have a large space here. And if you're working with a lot of printouts and you got a home printer, you can also put it on the corner. And also for the leg, it's very thin, so it makes me feel very tidy and neat. And also we match office chair with PU surface and with the swivel function. So I think this kind of swivel function is very convenient for the working or studying. And also for the stitching here is very neat as well with the square stitching. And to put with the PU is very neat. I think it's a perfect match with the black table. I think it's full of the business style. And also for the leg, you can see it's with the black square tube. So I think this one is very neutral and also is very suitable for the business. So if you are interested in this minimalistic style, welcome to leave a message here or contact with us.